Hey there and welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard. In this video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into OKB, the native token of OKEX, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. We'll explore what OKB is, how it works, and why it's an important digital asset to consider in today's crypto landscape. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is OKB? OKB was designed to be a versatile utility token that can be used for various purposes within the OKEX ecosystem. One of the key use cases for OKB is to pay for trading fees on the OKEX platform. By using OKB to pay for trading fees, users can get discounts on their fees, which can be especially beneficial for frequent traders or those who trade large volumes of cryptocurrency. In addition to trading fee discounts, OKB holders also have access to other benefits within the OKEX ecosystem. For example, they can use their OKB tokens to vote on important decisions related to the OKEX platform. This gives them a say in the future direction of the exchange and ensures that the community's voice is heard. OKB holders also have access to exclusive services and products provided by OKEX, such as VIP account management, priority customer support, and early access to new products. This can be particularly beneficial for those who trade large volumes of cryptocurrency and require more personalized support. Another use case for OKB is to invest in new blockchain projects that are listed on the OKEX exchange. OKEX regularly lists new tokens and projects on its platform, and OKB holders can use their tokens to invest in these projects, which can potentially provide high returns on investment. OKB can be staked to earn rewards in the form of other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. By staking OKB, users can earn passive income on their holdings and increase their cryptocurrency portfolio. OKB's versatility and utility within the OKEX ecosystem make it a valuable asset for traders, investors, and other cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The buyback and burn program is a unique feature of OKB that sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. By regularly buying back and burning tokens, OKEX is able to ensure that the supply of OKB remains stable and that the value of the remaining tokens increases over time. The buyback and burn program works by using a portion of the trading fees collected by OKEX to purchase OKB tokens from the market. Once these tokens are purchased, they are then burned, which means they are permanently removed from circulation. This reduces the total supply of OKB, which in turn increases the scarcity of the remaining tokens and can lead to an increase in their value. The buyback and burn program is a powerful tool that can help to maintain the value of OKB over the long term. By reducing the supply of tokens in circulation, OKEX is able to create a more stable and sustainable ecosystem for OKB holders. This can be particularly beneficial for long-term investors who are looking to hold onto their OKB tokens for an extended period of time. The buyback and burn program is a unique and innovative feature of OKB that helps to set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. By using a portion of its trading fees to buy back and burn tokens, OKEX is able to create a more stable and sustainable ecosystem for OKB holders, which can ultimately lead to greater adoption and wider use of the token. Let's dive deeper into each of these use cases of OKB. Trading fee discounts. As mentioned earlier, one of the primary use cases of OKB is to pay for trading fees on the OKEX platform. By using OKB to pay for fees, users can get discounts that range from 10% to 60% based on the amount of OKB they hold. This can be a significant advantage for high-frequency traders or those who trade large volumes of cryptocurrency. Voting rights. OKB holders can also use their tokens to vote on important decisions related to the OKEX platform. This includes decisions related to new listings, changes to the fee structure, and other community governance issues. By participating in these votes, OKB holders can have a say in the future direction of the platform and ensure that the community's voice is heard. Exclusive services. OKB holders can access a range of exclusive services and products provided by OKEX, such as VIP account management, priority customer support, and early access to new products. This can be particularly beneficial for high-volume traders who require more personalized support and access to new products. Ecosystem expansion. OKB can be used to invest in new blockchain projects that are listed on the OKEX exchange. This can be a great way for investors to diversify their portfolio and potentially earn high returns on investment. Staking. OKB can be staked to earn rewards in the form of other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. By staking OKB, users can earn passive income on their holdings and increase their cryptocurrency portfolio. OKB is a versatile utility token that can be used for a variety of purposes within the OKEX ecosystem. Whether you are a trader, investor, or cryptocurrency enthusiast, OKB has something to offer. Its unique features, such as the buyback and burn program, make it a valuable asset that is worth considering for your cryptocurrency portfolio. Why is OKB an important digital asset? The limited supply of OKB is a key feature that sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. As mentioned earlier, the total supply of OKB is capped at 300 million tokens, with a circulating supply of around 60 million. This means that there is a finite amount of OKB that can ever be created, which can help to create scarcity and drive up the value of the token. Furthermore, the demand for OKB is likely to increase as more people become aware of its various use cases within the OKEX ecosystem. As OKEX continues to grow and expand its services, more traders and investors are likely to use the platform, which can increase the demand for OKB as a means of paying for fees and accessing exclusive services. Moreover, OKB's buyback and burn program can also contribute to the increasing demand for the token. By reducing the total supply of OKB through regular buybacks and burns, OKEX is able to create a more scarce and valuable asset, which can attract more investors and traders to the platform. The limited supply and increasing demand for OKB, along with its various use cases within the OKEX ecosystem, make it an important digital asset that has the potential to increase in value over time. Whether you are a trader, investor, or cryptocurrency enthusiast, OKB is a token that is worth considering as part of your overall investment strategy. OKEX is a major player in the cryptocurrency industry, with a strong reputation and a large user base. As one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, OKEX is a major hub for trading in various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. This means that OKB is an important digital asset because its value is closely tied to the success and growth of the OKEX platform. As more people use the platform to trade cryptocurrencies and access various services, the demand for OKB is likely to increase, which can help to drive up the value of the token. OKEX's reputation and credibility as a trusted exchange can also help to increase the demand for OKB. Many traders and investors may prefer to use a platform that has a proven track record of security, reliability, and transparency, and OKEX has established itself as one of the most reputable exchanges in the industry. The success and growth of the OKEX platform, along with its reputation as a leading cryptocurrency exchange, make OKB an important digital asset that is worth considering for any cryptocurrency investor or trader. The fact that OKB is backed by a reputable and established company like OKEX can provide investors with confidence that the token is a legitimate investment opportunity with a bright future ahead. OKEX has been in the cryptocurrency space for several years, and has established itself as one of the leading exchanges in the industry. The company has a strong track record of security, reliability, and transparency, which can help to instill trust in investors and traders who use the platform. OKEX has a strong focus on innovation and the development of new products and services that can benefit its users. This can provide additional opportunities for the growth and adoption of OKB, as the token is an integral part of the OKEX ecosystem and is used to access various services and products offered by the company. The fact that OKB is backed by a reputable and established company like OKEX can help to provide investors with confidence in the token's legitimacy and potential for growth. As OKEX continues to innovate and expand its services, the demand for OKB is likely to increase, which can help to drive up its value over time. Risks and challenges of investing in OKB. Market for cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and the value of OKB can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This means that investing in OKB can be risky, as investors could potentially lose a significant amount of money if the value of the token drops sharply. Competition. The cryptocurrency industry is highly competitive, and there are many other projects and tokens that are vying for attention and investment. This means that OKB may face stiff competition from other tokens, which could impact its growth and adoption. Hacking and security risks. The cryptocurrency industry is also known for its susceptibility to hacking and security breaches, which could result in the loss of funds and damage to the reputation of OKEX and OKB. Overall, while OKB has a lot of potential as a digital asset, it is important for investors to carefully consider the risks and challenges before investing. It is important to conduct thorough research and analysis, and to only invest funds that one can afford to lose. By doing so, investors can make informed decisions and potentially benefit from the growth and success of OKB and the broader cryptocurrency industry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.